Are you looking for the best gazebos? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gazebos on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kozyard Alexander Hardtop Steel and Aluminum Gazebo. Made for permanent installation, this hardtop gazebo from Kozyard has a sturdy design with a rust-proof aluminum frame and galvanized steel roof. Meant to withstand all types of weather events, including precipitation and wind, this gazebo with shade stands tall in winds up to 40 miles per hour, mph, and holds snowfalls of up to 2,500 pounds. The galvanized steel roof has a vented double roof design that enables airflow, and the gutter system ensures proper water runoff on rainy days. With its 12-foot long by 10-foot wide size, this contemporary gazebo is perfect for covering large outdoor seating areas year-round. It even comes with double-layered privacy and mosquito netting curtains, protecting against sun during the day and insects at night. What we like. Designed to withstand all seasons. Gutters direct rain runoff. Includes mosquito netting and privacy curtains. What we don't like. May leak due to vented roof design. Specs. Size, 12 feet long by 10 feet wide by 9.6 feet high. Shape, rectangular. Material, galvanized steel and aluminum. Number 2. Coos Bay Pop-Up Gazebo with Netting. If you're looking for a stylish yet affordable gazebo, this Coos Bay Outdoor Gazebo Canopy might be a perfect fit. Essentially a pop-up gazebo, it's incredibly easy to set up and provides 121 square feet of shade and protection, making it ideal for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or outdoor events. Setting this canopy gazebo up is a breeze. Just open the metal frame and attach the vented top. Its lightweight steel frame and carrying case make it easy to transport, and the 150D Oxford fabric top is water resistant and has a UV protection rating of UPF 50+ to help block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. It also has mesh side walls that add an extra layer of comfort by keeping bugs out while allowing air in. Whether you need quick shade for a picnic or want a semi-permanent enclosed gazebo in your yard, this lightweight gazebo delivers convenience without compromising on quality. What we like. Easy to transport and set up. Comes with a carrying case. Comfortably covers up to 6 people. UV and water-resistant canopy material. What we don't like. Not made for heavy winds. Specs. Size, 11 feet long by 11 feet wide by 9.7 feet high. Shape, square. Material, powder-coated steel and polyester. Number 3. Backyard Discovery Arlington Gazebo with Electric. In areas prone to storms and high winds, a retractable awning or simple shade sail won't be sufficient. Instead, you'll need a gazebo built to handle harsh weather, and the Backyard Discovery Arlington Gazebo is up to the task. Engineered to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour and snow loads up to 50 pounds per square foot of snow load, it's made using very sturdy materials. The heavy-duty frame is solid cedar, and the corrosion-resistant roof is steel. The roof is even insulated to reduce heat transfer, helping maintain a comfortable atmosphere year-round. More than just a durable structure, the Arlington Wood Gazebo also features several thoughtful design details. In addition to decorative accents that create a refined look, it has built-in power options, 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports, that make it easy to add lighting or charge devices. The only possible downsides to this pick are its premium price, the need to run electricity to it, and the fact that its installation might be a bit complicated for less experienced DIYers. What we like. Designed to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour. 50 pounds per square foot snow load capacity. Built-in outlets and USB power ports. What we don't like. May require professional installation. Specs. Size, 10 feet long by 12.08 feet wide by 10.08 feet high. Shape, rectangular. Material, wood and steel. Number 4. MasterCanopy 8-foot by 5-foot grill gazebo with LED lights. Gazebos made for grilling are often relatively small and feature handy shelves and hooks for holding plates, grill tools, and food. This 8 by 5 foot small patio gazebo from MasterCanopy creates a well-organized and weather-protected grilling space, making it the perfect choice for summertime barbecues. Built for durability, this gazebo for small patios features a rust-proof steel frame and a weather-resistant, UV-protective polyester canopy. The soft top roof provides reliable coverage, while each side of the lighted gazebo includes a sturdy steel shelf for prepping food and placing utensils. A row of hanging hooks keeps grilling tools within reach, while a built-in bottle opener ensures you can crack open a cold drink without missing a beat. While grilling continuously under any canopy isn't recommended, this gazebo's 8.3 foot height, double roof design, and ample venting help smoke dissipate effectively, making the activity possible with proper supervision. What we like. Perfect size and shape to cover a grill. Roof vent offers ample airflow. Shelves and hooks hold food and tools. Frame has 2 battery-powered LED lights. What we don't like. Can't withstand heavy rain. Lightweight metal poles may warp over time. Specs. Size, 8 feet long by 5 feet wide by 8.3 feet high. Shape, rectangular. Material, steel and polyester. Number 5. Erommy Gazebo with Polycarbonate Double Roof. For a stylish and functional way to cover a long outdoor dining table, the Erommy 13 by 10 foot rectangular hardtop gazebo is an excellent choice. Designed as a permanent structure, it offers reliable shelter for outdoor lunch and dinner gatherings in a variety of weather conditions. With a sleek, minimalist design, this gazebo features a powder-coated aluminum frame and a polycarbonate roof. The translucent double roof lets air and soft natural light filter in while still providing shade and blocking 99% of harmful UV rays. It also has double-layer sidewalls mounted on a smooth double-track system, keeping bugs out and providing a bit of backyard privacy. While sturdy, this gazebo is best suited for mild climates that don't see winds more than 30 miles per hour or snowfalls greater than 2 inches. What we like. Double roof design is perfect for grilling. Enough square footage to cover a table. Affordable option for mild climates. What we don't like. Can't withstand more than 2 inches of snow. Specs. Size, 13.1 feet long by 10 feet wide by 9.1 feet high. Shape, rectangular. Material, aluminum and plastic.